Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So we've been quite busy for the past few weeks for all the installations on our client's car, and today finally I have free time to install an exhaust system on my very own Toyota GR86. So I just recently bought this GR86 and the car is very quiet, and that's why today what I have right over here is the exhaust system for my GR86. So before we begin the installation of the XFORCE exhaust system on my GR86, now I will start up the car and we will do a sound check on how the factory exhaust system performs on the GR86. It is extremely quiet. Basically there's no any noise, no any sound on the car for such a sporty car, and that's why definitely I will need an aftermarket exhaust system. So I went with the XFORCE system because I need the valve control for the car. So now I'll start up the car and do a sound check. So here we have removed the factory exhaust out from the GR86 and put it side by side to compare with the XFORCE system that is going into the car later. So now first of all we will talk a little bit about the factory exhaust system. As you can see on the mid pipe area, there is a very long and huge center resonator that kills off a lot of sound, and to the rear there is this very huge muffler box that filters out basically all the sound on the GR86, and that's why with this factory exhaust system on the car it doesn't sound loud at all. And also that's the reason why I have this XFORCE Varex system for my car today. So basically for the XFORCE system, they do have 3 different variants. The 2.5-inch Varex valve catback, which is what I have here. Then they have the 3-inch valve catback, which has a larger diameter for the pipings. And lastly, they have a raised system that is without the valve, so that will be the loudest option if you want something really loud. Now I will talk a little bit about this XFORCE Varex catback system. So this is 2.5-inch version, so it has a 2.5-inch piping on the mid pipe all the way to the rear muffler section, and this Varex catback muffler is slightly smaller compared to the factory system. And also it does comes with valve control right over here. This is the valve motor, so I can have full control over the sound on the GR86 whenever I'm fetching my kids. I can have the valves turned off for a more comfort and silent drive, and when I'm driving alone, going for spirited driving, I can have the valves fully open. And also what comes in the package is that XFORCE, they actually provide 2 sets of exhaust tips in each package. The first one is this titanium burnt blue exhaust tips that looks really nice, and also they do have this standard chrome silver tips that comes along with the package. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to go with the more flashy titanium burnt blue tips or the standard chrome silver tips. I personally will definitely go with the blue tips. It looks really nice on the car. And right over here we have the wirings that goes into the 12-watt secret lighter, and also this exhaust gaskets that comes along with the package that lets you to replace the factory gaskets. And this is the control box for the valve operation. Also, we have 2 remote controls for the valve control function. Basically, button A is for the valves to be open, and button B is to close the valves. And that's all for the product explanation. Now we will get back to work to install the XFORCE system onto my GR86, and later, once we have the exhaust installed, of course we will do a sound check and also a few drive-by to listen how does this XFORCE Varex catback system sounds on the GR86. It's going to be way louder compared to the factory system, and the difference will be massive. So now let's get back to work. And that is how the XFORCE Varex catback system sounds like on the GR86. A huge thank you to XFORCE for supplying this amazing system for my car. Now I absolutely love how the GR86 sounds like with the XFORCE exhaust. The best part of having this exhaust system is that I can have the full control over the valve function. So whenever I have the kids at the rear seat, I can turn the valves fully off. And whenever I go for weekend drive or spirited driving, I can have the valves fully open. And this is really convenient to have the valves function. So let us know in the comment section below, what do you think about the XFORCE Varex catback system? How does it sound like on the GR86? If you enjoy our content, hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for more exciting content in the future.